Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on managerial economics. This is part 4. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Total cost, that is TC, is equal to A plus BQ square plus Q3 is of the dash function. A, cubic cost function, B, quadratic cost function, C, linear cost function, or D, none. Here it is A, cubic cost function. 2. Dash method combines economic theory and statistical techniques of production. A, regression, B, bivariate method, C, mean deviation method, or D, none. The correct option is A, regression method. 3. An association of business firms formed by an explicit agreement between them. A, oligopoly, B, monopoly, C, cartel, D, none. Correct option is C, cartel. 4. This is the period in which firms cannot change their size or unit and new firms cannot enter the industry. A, short run, B, long run, C, market period, D, none. The correct option is A, short run. 5. Marginal principle can be applied only where dash A, marginal cost and marginal revenue, B, AC and AR, C, DMC by DQ, or D, none. The correct option is A, MC and MR. 6. Dash cost refers to expected income foregone. A, marginal cost, B, opportunity cost, C, sunk, or D, none. The correct option is B, opportunity cost. 7. Dash are the internal issues arising within a business organization. A, operational issues, B, environmental issues, C, growth issues, or D, none. The correct option is A, operational issues. The difference between actual earnings and the opportunity cost is A, marginal gain, B, economic gain, C, opportunity gain, or none. Correct option is B, economic gain. 9. Dash refers to the change in the total utility obtained from the consumption of an additional unit of a commodity. A, marginal utility, B, additional utility, C, total, or D, none. Correct option is A, marginal utility. 10. Dash goods if its demand decreases with the increase in income. A, superior goods, B, inferior goods, C, capital goods, D, consumer goods. So here correct option is B, inferior goods, because it is in case of inferior or given goods when the demand decreases when income in fact increases. If the price decreases, so obviously demand decreases when income increases. 11. The price elasticity of demand is equal to 1 for a demand curve which is dash A, horizontal line, B, vertical line, C, rectangular hyperbola, or D, downward moving line. The correct option is C, rectangular hyperbola. 12. Global 2008 financial crisis was created by dash A, nationalized banks, B, subprime market lending, C, bond market, or D, interest rate mechanism. Correct option is B, subprime market lending. 13. Dr. Y.V. Reddy was dash A, chairman UTI, B, chairman IDBI, C, governor IDBI, or D, chairman LIC. Correct option is B, chairman IDBI. 14. Fiscal deficit is defined as dash A, budgetary deficit plus government market borrowing and liabilities, B, total outlay income received, or C, budget deficit minus public borrowing. D, none. The correct option is C, budget deficit minus public borrowing. 15. Lower returning point in a business cycle refers to dash A, recession, B, expansion, C, downswing, D, recovery. Correct option is A, recession. 16. Cost will increase in, correct option is B, short period. 17. Rectangular hyperbola is the shape of A, DFC, B, AFC, C, FC, or DMC. Correct option is A, average fixed cost, AFC. 18. Dash forecasting is done for a period usually not exceeding 1 year. The correct option is A, short-term demand forecasting. 19. Dash is the most extensively used method in India. A, survey method, B, graphic method, C, value method, or D, none. The correct option is A, survey method. 20. If factor prices and factor quantities move in the same direction, we have A. Cost constant industry, B. An increasing cost industry, C. Decreasing cost industry, or D. None of the above. The correct option is A. An increasing cost industry. 21. What determines price under perfect competition? A. Industry, B. Firm, C. Customer, D. Government. The correct option is A. Industry. 22. A firm is in equilibrium when the following condition is fulfilled. The correct option is A. MR is equal to MC. 23. What is the condition of optimum production? A. AC is equal to MC, B. AR is equal to AC, C. MR is equal to MC, or D. All. Correct option is C. Marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, that is MR is equal to MC. 24. When a firm will shut down its production in this short period, A. AR is equal to AVC, average variable cost, or B. AR is greater than AVC, or C. AR is less than AVC, or none. Correct option is A. AR is equal to AVC, average variable cost. 25. Monopoly means, correct option is C. A single seller of product in a particular town or city. 26. Price discrimination is possible only if dash. The correct option is B. Seller sells the product in only one market. 27. Price discrimination under monopoly is of dash. A. One type, B. Two types, C. Three types, D. Four types. Correct option is C. Three types. 28. The theory of monopolistic competition has been developed by dash. A. P. Schafer, B. E. Chamberlain, C. Marshall, D. John Robinson. Correct option is C. Marshall. 29. Which form of monopoly regulation is most useful for the consumer? A. Price control, B. Lump sum tax, C. Per unit tax, D. All. The correct option is A. Price control. 30. Selling costs have to be incurred in case of A. Perfect competition, B. Imperfect competition, C. Monopolistic competition, or D. None. The correct option is C. Monopolistic competition. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.